Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 11, which is based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 11 is integral sine of 4x upon cos of 2x into dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, the given problem we denote as a I. That is, I is equal to integral sine of 4x upon cos of 2x into dx. Now here we use trigo formula, that sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. So therefore, in present case, sine of 4x can be written as 2 sine 2x into cos of 2x and whole thing divided by cos of 2x into dx. Now here we cancel cos 2x from numerator and denominator, and the constant term 2 we take outside the integral sign. So the next step will be 2 into integral sine of 2x into dx, that equal to 2 into, now integration of sine of 2x is minus cos of 2x upon coefficient of x, that is 2. So the answer minus cos of 2x upon 2 plus c. Now here we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be is equal to minus cos of 2x plus c. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.